guys, so today we are going to be continuing our one chunk survival series. So guys, let's just get started. So guys, I applied some shaders to my world and I have this cool looking 3D texture back which makes the blocks look 3D. Like you see this cobblestone? It looks like it has some texture, It looks 3D. So this is the mod I applied. So guys, now we will go down and we will go to the deeper layers. So guys, let's get our camera fixed up. Okay guys, so oh shit, you got ABC. No. Oh my god, are you serious? Just explode. Hey yo, guys, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Yo, you dead. He can't hit me, otherwise I'll die. Yeah, finally. So guys, all mobs cleared. Now guys, we will go down. But I do not have any torches. So let's just go to the our handy dandy cave, But guys, first we gotta store some valuables. Cause in the last episode I got a lot of valuables. Oh, look at how cool this chest looks, bro. Okay, guys. So we got our findings 12 diamonds. So we keep all that inside 22 power fish. And guys, now I think we can make the 3 wool that we need. How do I craft wool? I do have string, I can make 2 to make a bed. I just need 1 more. From where the hell do I get more wool? Okay, I really don't know that. But I not have to fall down. Is that a creeper? It's not a creeper. Just say it's not. No, wait. I'm wasting blocks. Let me find a safe way to get down. Is that a creeper? How are you not dying, dude? Come in the lava, bro. I'm here. See? Come here. Come, bro. You wanna come? Come. Come. You are not going to listen, are you? You have a problem, do you? Guys, let's just get a shield quick, because then we can resist the power of this creeper. The wood looks so cool, guys. Guys, tell me in the comments if I should keep this texture pack, because I think it's looking pretty cool, So guys, let's make a shield. So I don't have iron. Wait, let me get some iron, guys. Exactly 1 and 2 I have. Okay, let's get the iron. Let's craft a shield. What do we need for a shield? Don't have planks. Give me some wood. Let me make some planks, guys. Now I can make a shield. That looks so cool. Okay, let's keep our wood here. Let's keep a little bit with us, just in case. Okay, seems like we are set. We don't have many blocks, do we? And let's make a pickaxe, guys, with these things. Guys, it's gonna be fun. Let's make a pickaxe and a sword. You. Okay. So guys, we got both of this. So let's keep our leftover diamonds here. Let's keep this just in case we need it. No, we really do need food. And if a big mob comes, we have our golden apples. You got it, I good sir. Let's go down. Should I make an axe of diamond? Yeah, I probably should. Because I'm rich. Guys. Give me this. Give me some wood. Give me some sticks. How do I get sticks? Yeah. Give me a axe. Good sir. Now I don't need anything. Now everything is gonna be so fast with this axe. Okay, let's go down. Yeah, this is already looking good. So guys, let's try to get some coal if we can. Is there seriously no coal left? You? You're dead. Explode, I don't care. Yeah, nothing, you did nothing. Now let's go even more down. I'm not gonna survive that, am I? Wait. No, no, no! Yeah, you ain't killing me. The lava definitely can. Let me jump in the water perfectly. Or I'm gonna die. You? You literally have to be serious. Where is that hole? Get me down there. Get me down there. Get me down there. Give me my stuff back, dude. You know? Give me my stuff back. My stuff ain't going anywhere. Okay. Let me wear my water breathing thing. I lost some stuff. Wait. Where is my sword? Hey yo. Give me my sword back. There it is. Anything else? Okay. We finally got our sword back. Now we can safely progress down. Okay. So this is the desert temple. Okay, so now we have to go even down. Oh, netherrack! Are we already in the nether? Don't tell me you. Wow. No, you. Yeah, that was probably needed. You gonna die, good sir. Hey yo. Yeah, bro. You gonna die. Don't die in the lava. Dude. Come out. Come out. Follow me. Okay, you seriously gonna die in lava? You really want to do that? Okay, I lost your things. Okay. You die. Just die. Okay, he's dead. Karma. Karma. Give me the blaze rods. Okay. Got the rods. One. Are you serious? What's inside? yo, sheesh. This is a joke. This has to be a joke. This seriously has to be a joke. I have netherite. You ain't surviving. But I don't have that upgrading thing, so I can't, like upgrade my armor to netherite. And plus I don't have diamond armor. So, hey, dead. Anyone who spawns is gonna die from my sword. Okay. So this is good. We got 2 netherite ingots. So we can convert our sword and our pickaxe to netherite. Good, good, good. Good work's going on, guys. Yeah, we need a little bit more. Where you? Hey yo. You ain't dropping anything. Get 10. Thanks. We just need a little bit more, just for the safer side, guys. Okay, so you are here. Shit, guys, that burned. Just need a little bit more. Just spawn. Okay, let's go down, guys. Now. Let's take cover and let's go down. I'm not messing around over here, am I? I'm not messing around. What the hell? What? You are not serious. And this is okay. So there's no way. There is just no way, guys. There is just no way. We just got so many god apples. We are the god of Minecraft. You gotta be serious, We are the god of Minecraft. Okay, so there are torches. I don't die. Hey, yo! That was cool. I don't need that. No. Free god apples, guys. Free god apples. You gotta be serious. Now we getting god apples for free? We are not. We're not getting god apples for free, Let's get some blocks, And what you have, dude? Arrows. That's gonna be useful in the Ender Dragon fight. Give me your arrows too. Hey yo! Don't waste your arrows. Okay, you have 4 left. That's cool. No more dispensers? Okay. Okay, that's cool. Now, we looted this thing. So it's time to go one step down. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is cool. Oh my god! There is no freaking way. There. You. Bro. Those had pro. What is this room? It's Earth. That's cool. Let's go down. Should I drink this? Probably. And now I can see where. Well, that didn't. I just wasted one of my night vision potions. Well, I'm the best, guys. So, wait, let me get some blocks over here. Let's mine. How do I get down safely? No. This is the block, right? I should mine and I should land on this block. That's cool. Then one here. One over there. And now we can just... Okay, so let's just drink, eat the... Do we have food? Yeah, we do. Let's take this. Let's eat some of this food. Bro, so much gold. Oh my god. Bro. Throw the netherrack. Dude, give me gold. That's okay. So let's open this, guys. What? This is... I don't think this is like... This is not real Minecraft, is it? This is not real Minecraft. This is not Minecraft. So you are here. What do you have? Those, okay. Those don't kill me, guys. Because I have god apples. Okay. Wow. What? What is this? The end? Where am I? Hey, you gotta go. Okay. So you are interesting. So guys, we just found the end portal. What's under this? Are we at the end of this tower? We are not. Okay, so let's see what loot is there. Where is the loot? It's up there. Oh my god! Netherite sword? An axe? What? Bro, I'm undefeatable. What is this? What enchantment is this? I don't know. Actually. So, guys, wait. Whoa. You think we are beating the Ender Dragon in this episode? We are not. Wait, what's that? Another chest? Oh, no. What? I'm rich. I'm OP. I'm a god. Get this out of here. Smite 5, Unbreaking 3, Protection 4. What is it? Fire Respect 1. just make a chest quick here because there's a reason for why I'm doing this. So guys, how do we make a crafting table? We make this like this. We take this. Okay, through that. Now we take this. We make some planks. We make a chest. We take this, we place it here, and we take this, we keep this, and we're not gonna take all of these, you know. Three should be fine. I'm too overconfident. These books are going inside here. Netherite going inside here, blocks going inside here. Some potions going inside here. This going inside here. Don't need that. I need arrows, but I don't have a bow. Wait, I can make a bow with just making some sticks. How to make a bow? We need 3 string. Oh yeah, we got string right over here. Let's make a bow. Let's keep this diamond sword over here. Let's keep these axes over here because we don't need them. We need one. But we don't have enough blocks. So let's get some blocks, guys. Oh, I thought I was scared for that second. Okay, so guys, we have reached to the end of this thing. Of this chunk, and guys, we are not going to beat the Ender Dragon in this episode because it's gonna take pretty long and we don't have that much time in this episode. So guys, we are just gonna mine these blocks and I'm gonna meet you up. And let's take this. Okay, let's take that. Can I make wool? Let's take some more string. That 3 is not enough. I need 4. No. Yeah. Give me some of that string. Now I have 4. Now I can craft this wool. Craft some planks. I can craft a bed. I can place the bed right over here. Can't place bed on bedrock. Okay, let's set a respawn point here. And guys, we are going to end our episode. So hope you like this episode. We are at full diamond with a netherite sword with these 3 god apples and plus a lot of them in the chest. We got this. We got this bow. We got 16 ender pearls and we're set. I'll just mine some blocks and I'll get some food and then guys, we'll be ready for this Ender Dragon fight. This is the portal right over here, guys. Okay, I definitely didn't do that purposely, but I just did. Hey yo, I thought I was gonna die for 1 second. So guys, we got so much loot from this thing, and we also got this anvil over there, which I really want to open. Yeah. And we'll put all those enchantments in the chest over there, guys, and we'll be set for this fight. We'll be ready. So guys, let's just end off this episode. So